Another beautiful morning. What a time for a 10-minute low-impact strength-building session. I'm going to use this log as a makeshift chair. If you have a chair nearby, grab it, please. Let's start just with a nice gentle walk to get warmed up. We're building brain health through leg strength exercises. We know that strong legs equals long life, healthy brain. It's amazing how the two correlate. There'll be lots of information in the description. I'll let the scientists do the studies, and I'll hopefully motivate you to do the work. Just simple exercises that we build amazing leg strength so we can move through our day with ease and strength. Go for long walks, feel empowered. The last 10 years of our life, we want to make them the best years. So many people spend their last 10, 20 years in sick care. We can change that even in our 60s, 70s, 80s. Oh yes, there's so much that we can do. We change our lifestyle and start to build strength through just simple walking and some chair exercises. Here's my chair. I'm just going to do a step up. Get that leg up as high as you can. Pardon me for maybe seeing a little bit more than my back, but I can be outside. And the purpose of this is also when we see a fallen log like this, yeah, we can see the beauty in it, but can we see the opportunities and the possibilities that it has? A child would see this and they would jump on top of it and they would start walking across, building amazing balance and core stability. Can we use it to do some step ups? Maybe even some box jumps once we get really strong. Box jumps are not in my foreseeable future as I can continue to recover from neck surgery. But soon enough, and we're going to get into those because it's one exercise that builds amazing leg strength, core stability, balance that we want to be doing into our last decade of life. Absolutely. Just keep going here. Nice and easy. Step up that chair as best you can. If you don't have a chair, you can just do a toe tap too. If that's where you're at, it's fine. Wherever you're at, it's beautiful. It's also beautiful that you want to progress and get just a little bit better today than you were yesterday. Yeah, a couple more. Brilliant. Yes, let's shake that out. We want good mobility too. We're building leg strength. Just a nice lateral movement. I think we're going to have some moments of good lighting and maybe not. The lighting doesn't matter. You don't care. You don't need to see my face. You're just doing the exercises, enjoying the session, knowing that you're building incredible leg strength that is going to grow your brain and allow you to maintain a memory. I think we've all been touched with Alzheimer's and dementia. And more data and more research is coming out and telling us that it's lifestyle related. That there is so much that we can do. Particularly for the women of our lives, where 2/3 of people with Alzheimer's dementia are women. Let's build strong legs, good stability, mobility, so that we can do everything in our power to avoid losing our mind as we age. The placebo works too. If you think it's going to work, it's got a much better chance of working. I'm building strength. I'm going to maintain a strong brain. My last 10 years are going to be my best 10 years. How about that as a goal set? A goal set? A goal to set? Maybe I've already lost my mind. Yes, let's not take ourselves too seriously either. Let's have a good time with this. Ooh, this is a little tricky for me. I'm getting there though. And I'm moving slowly, but this is such great for hip mobility. Just to move laterally, we're often just moving forwards. And also, we're often never really moving backwards. Take that movement now. Hopefully you have some space. Walking backwards can have some real profound effects too. We're using different muscles, so continue to build those stabilizing muscles for when we walk so that our balance is good. Building strength in areas that when you normally wouldn't if we're only going forward. If you get an opportunity safely, you can go for your evening walk and walk backwards for a stretch. It might look silly, but we're not worried about what other people think. It is truly amazing, and it creates another sense that we have called proprioception, so that we know where we are in space. So again, just simple things that are going to contribute to a long and healthy life. I can only speak certainly mostly for North America, but I know the average Canadian, the average American spends the last 15 or so years of their lives in sick care. We don't want that. We want to take ownership of our health and well-being. And we're doing that one day at a time, one 10-minute session at a time. Oh, nice, eh? Boat goes by, looking at me going, who's the weirdo walking backwards? We're going to do a lot of squats in the next few days. I'm not going to apologize for that. I don't know of any way to build good leg strength in squats, but let's do a squat pulse right now. So as deep as you can, use your arms real mindfully, real intentional movements. You sink as deep as you can, head up high. Each squat, each one, you're growing your brain just a little bit. I know, leg strength, brain health, who would have thought? But there are great doctors out there doing the research. My particular favorites, you can find them at the Brain Docs on YouTube. Probably the two smartest people in every room they go into. An incredible husband and wife combination. They're just doing so much incredible work to help so many people. Their take on nutrition aligns definitely with mine as well, so I'm a little biased, but they do the research. These are top-notch scientists. I encourage you to look them up. I'll talk about them a lot, as I already have. Oh. Let's just keep going. If you need a break, you take one. I like the idea of sticking with one thing for a bit too. That idea of boredom, nonsense. Look at this beautiful world we live in, these beautiful bodies we have. To be bored, nonsense. That's just mind activity. As my son goes away, maybe you can't see me anymore. You know what we're doing here. Just a nice, gentle squat pulse. Pulse squat, squat pulse. Potato, potato, tomato, tomato. Which is it? All right, down for one more. Brilliant. Let's build the mobility and the strength and balance all in one movement. I want to tap the toe. And maybe you're here right now. That's happy days. You're moving, that's what matters. Gradually, you get it to here. Yes, yes. Just find this flow and go. You can hold it for a moment. You want to build more balance. Brilliant. You're building strength, especially in the glute there. Mobility. There's a lot in this one movement. And as we do that, you just keep going. I encourage you again, when you're outdoors today and you see a fallen log or some rocks, anything out in nature, and see it as an opportunity, set of stairs. every flight of stairs that we can climb. We are building strong legs, strong heart, strong brain. Look at it as a child would. Ooh, look at that, a place to balance. They wouldn't even think like that. They just think that looks like fun. Childlike mentality, yes. Keep going. We're not in a rush to get anywhere. This movement's the most important movement. This one, this. It's amazing when you bring presence, you can just go forever and ever. Get rid of that monkey mind. I can't get rid of it, it's gonna be there. We start to take a bit of ownership of it. I'm the monkey. I don't know where that came from. Endorphins, engaged, yes. Don't forget to comment when you're done. Job done. Movement is amazing. Move more, feel better. Anything, let's inspire each other. Continue to grow this community. I love it. One more. Yes. Oh, shake, shake, shake. We did it. How good is that? We have super brains now. Just keep showing up every single day. Move your body, move more to feel better. Mwah. Yes. Oh, let's just take a moment just to breathe. Just absorb everything you've done. Feel that strength in your legs. You're building strong legs and a strong brain. So that those last 10 years are going to be the best. And we move today so that today can be the best. Today is a great day for a great day. Go make it one. You already have. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.